A share value equivalent to $4.2196 a coin. The present reach, $4.0902, $4.2480. The earlier day close, $4.1890. The change was plus 0.0306. Plus 0.73%. Opposite rate, United States dollars to Axies. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for September 2023. Before all else cost at $4.67. Most extreme cost $4.69. Least cost $3.51. The normal for the month $4.16. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.77. Change for September 19.3%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at $3.77. Greatest cost $3.91. Least cost $3.15. The normal for the month $3.56. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.39. Change for October 10.1%. A share cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at $3.39. Greatest cost $3.39. Least cost $2.65. The normal for the month $3.07. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.85. Change for November 15.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset cost at $2.85. Most extreme cost $3.07. Least cost $2.67. The normal for the month $2.87. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.87. Change for December 0.7%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $2.87. Most extreme cost $2.87. Least cost $2.32. The normal for the month $2.64. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.49. Change for January 13.2%. AXS to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset cost at $2.49. Most extreme cost $2.49. Least cost $2.01. The normal for the month $2.29. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.16. Change for February 13.3%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2024. Initially cost at $2.16. Most extreme cost $2.18. Least cost $1.90. The normal for the month $2.07. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.04. Change for spring 5.6%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $2.04. Greatest cost $2.04. Least cost $1.66. The normal for the month $1.88. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.79. Change for April 12.3%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $1.79. Most extreme cost $1.79. Least cost $1.45. The normal for the month $1.65. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.56. Change for May 12.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else cost at $1.56. Greatest cost $1.94. Least cost $1.56. The normal for the month $1.72. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.81. Change for June 16.0%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $1.81. Most extreme cost $1.81. Least cost $1.45. The normal for the month $1.66. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.56. Change for July 13.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with cost at $1.56. Greatest cost $1.56. Least cost $1.22. The normal for the month $1.41. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.31. Change for August 16.0%. A share cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $1.31. Greatest cost $1.31. Least cost $1.02. The normal for the month $1.19. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.10. Change for September 16.0%. A share cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $2.33. Most extreme cost $2.33. Least cost $1.82. The normal for the month $2.11. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $1.96. Change for November 15.9%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. In the first place cost at $1.96. Greatest cost $1.96. Least cost $1.66. The normal for the month $1.84. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.79. Change for December 8.7%. A share cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.79. Greatest cost $2.23. Least cost $1.79. The normal for the month $1.97. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.08. Change for January 16.2%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $2.08. Greatest cost $2.11. Least cost $1.83. The normal for the month $2. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.97. Change for February 5.3%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2026. Initially cost at $1.97. Most extreme cost $1.97. Least cost $1.53. The normal for the month $1.78. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.65. Change for spring 16.2%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Before all else cost at $1.65. Most extreme cost $1.95. Least cost $1.65. The normal for the month $1.77. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.82. Change for April 10.3%. A share cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at $1.82. Greatest cost $1.82. Least cost $1.46. The normal for the month $1.67. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.57. Change for May 13.7%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. At the outset cost at $1.57. Most extreme cost $1.61. Least cost $1.40. The normal for the month $1.50.